Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly where to enter the BookBowl coupon code and how much you're going to be saving with it. Now, this discount works both on the monthly and the yearly plans, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you grab the full 20% and don't miss anything. Alright, so let's get started by heading over to the pricing page. Now, make sure that the pricing page gives you both the yearly and monthly plans with the duo plan that they give you. Now, here you're going to see BookBolt offer two plans, the newbie plan and the pro plan. Now, both of these have a monthly and a yearly option, as you can see in front of you. Now, I'll show you how the pricing looks before the discount and then after the discount so you can see your exact savings. Now, let's start with the monthly pricing. Now here you can see the newbie plan has the standard monthly rate of $11.99 with 3-day free trial, keyword product research, cover interior design, Amazon search volume, KDP Spy. The Pro plan is a $24 per month. It's a slightly higher monthly rate because it includes all the upgraded features like Puzzle Whiz and more advanced tools. Now don't worry about the exact price on the screen as you can see right now. Once you apply the coupon code, it will drop by 20% instantly. Next, let's go ahead and check the yearly plans out. Again, on the newbie plan, these are already cheaper in the long run. Now that's because BookBowl discounts them compared to the monthly cost, and the best part is the coupon works on top of the yearly discount. So the newbie yearly and the newbie pro plans both get the extra 20% off, which is a solid amount saved since yearly pricing is already reduced. Now, do make sure to use my link in the description to sign up, or else you will not get the lifetime discount. So once you have visited the link and chosen your plan, you're simply going to sign up and you're going to come over to BookBolt's main dashboard. Now over here, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to your account settings. And once you come to your account settings, it's going to bring you right here. Now it's going to bring you to your subscription settings where you're simply going to see all of this going on over here. Now to get the discounted price, you're simply going to apply the coupon, okay, on whichever plan you want. Now it could be the monthly newbie, the monthly pro, monthly premium, yearly newbie, yearly pro, whatever you want. Now before you complete your purchase on BookBolt, click on the coupon optional section, and here you're going to add the coupon code AGR25. All right, that's the coupon code, and you're simply going to apply it to apply the discount. So type AGR25, go ahead and hit new subscription, and you will instantly see the total drop by 20%. Now this coupon works on every plan, so you can choose whichever suits you best and still get the full discount. Now, once you have done that, the price updates immediately. If you're going for the yearly plan, this discount really makes a difference since the starting price is higher and the 20% off cuts down a good chunk. Now, just a quick reminder of what you're getting with BookBolt. You're getting tools for low content, okay? And moving on, you're going to get a lot of great stuff like book creation, keyword research, competitor analysis, interior designer, puzzle creation, and listing optimizations. Now, basically everything you need to speed up your KDP workflow and get books published faster. So whichever plan you pick for yourself, you're getting a complete toolkit. Now, the coupon code again is AGR25. Do not forget to use it. And that's basically about it. Super simple. Use the code, save the money, and enjoy all the features BookBolt offers you. Now, if this helped you out, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and discounts. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you all in the next one.